and how effective we make it as teachers. That is the purpose, so that we learn from each other about all these different topics. He will be looking at, his group will be discussing only about the role of Braille and technology in the education of the blind. What are the current practices that are followed? Because there are teachers here, they can tell us what are the current practices followed. Are teachers there trained in Braille, in technology? Which grades are they teaching? Do they have Braille textbooks, etc.? Thoughts for them as a teacher. I know two of you are not teachers there, but it's fine because you can add on as individuals who are, yeah, perfect. All the more perfect then. What are their thoughts? Should we have only Braille or only technology or both? That is what Pranav and his team will be doing. And then they summarize the discussion so that one can, tell the rest of us what is it that they have summarized after their discussion. So that will take about 10 to 12 minutes. The second one is, which I will be looking at here, is mindset and beliefs. As teachers, what are our beliefs, what are our thoughts, what are the problems in a classroom? How do we, which grades, how can we overcome them? And the dual role every teacher plays, especially since they are residential schools, as a parent and a teacher. You play both roles. So that is what we will be discussing in this group. The teachers will be the ones who will be doing the discussion. It's not the person who's facilitator, because the idea is to get real life examples from what is happening in the classroom. The third is Anantalakshmi is doing educational outcomes about children who have passed out from the various schools which they are talking about. Have they kept track of them? Is there a tracking mechanism? What kind of alumni forum is there? Do they come back and talk to the children? How much of support is there for their future education? In all ways is what they will be discussing. What is the ultimate goal of our education system? What do we want? Do they just pass out after 10th and we forget about them? Or is there some continuation that's happening? And Indu ma'am is looking at the subjects that are currently being taught, the relevance of subjects, because that's utmost important. What are the current subjects taught in the different schools which are with her? What as teachers do you feel should be taught and how? There's a big gap between what we teach and what we feel should be actually taught. So that is what, and if each group can summarize and share their experiences, then we'll throw it open to whoever wants to have a discussion about anything. And if anything is not clear, please tell me. You want me to repeat this in Kannada? Okay, yeah, very relevant. Can everybody please put your phones on silent? Because if there is a discussion on and the phone rings, it breaks the train of thought. Absolutely. Yeah. Correct. Yeah, we can even shift a little further out so that, absolutely, I agree. You can shift out a little bit further, whether blind or visually all right. What is it that we take into our classrooms? Makkalge ಏನು ಕಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ, that is what we will be talking here in this group. And somebody will summarize it both in English and in Kannada. Anantalakshmi ma'am is looking, ಅವರು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ 10ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ, ನಾವು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ, ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎಜುಕೇಷನಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾವು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ that will become an example for other schools outside. And it will help finally, namgu help agalla. But it will help the children. And once it helps the children, it helps the family, it helps that community. And yake now, what is the final aim? B.Tech or engineering or medicine or Allah, they should become good human beings, good citizens of the country. So, ಏನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನು ಔಟ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನೀವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನೇನು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯಾವ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನು ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಕೆಲವು ಲೆಸನ್ ಓಕೆನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.